Grams.
Graham's here. Are we ready for our next adventure? Then let's go. Our story is Otis Gives Thanks by Loren Long. Giving thanks makes Otis happy. He gives thanks for the land and country that he loves, and for his farm and the farmer who grows healthy food for all to eat. Otis is thankful for hard work and for time to play games like hide and seek or ring around the rosy. Otis gives thanks for the sunshine and also for the rain because he knows it makes the crops grow big and strong. Otis is thankful for his home, for yummy meals, and a warm place to sleep. He gives thanks for loud times of celebration and quiet moments of peace, for courage when things seem hard, and for people who help when things feel even harder. Otis is thankful for his friends, for faith, and most of all, for love. The end. Thanks for joining me today, and if you'd like to see more, check out my library at